welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we have an exciting video planned for all teachers out there as we dive into a detailed breakdown of activities for the first day of the new session with your students. Believe me, these activities will make the rest of year relaxed and effortless. Activity number 1. No rules and regulations. Classroom contract instead. Classroom contracts are typically seen as more effective than just implementing rules and regulation with 21st century students because they encourage accountability, collaborative problem solving, and community building. Rather than simply dictating a set of rules and consequences, a classroom contract allows students to make ownership of their behavior and participate in creating norms and expectations for the classroom. By working together to establish expectations, students are more likely to feel invested and responsible for upholding them. Additionally, classroom contracts can help prevent power struggles between teachers and students and promote positive relationships by fostering communication and mutual respect. Activity number 2. Time capsule. Provide students with a sheet, a physical sheet, it can be a paper or something, or you can use Google Form instead, where they can fill out information about their current interests, skills, aspirations, favorite things, expectation from teacher, and prediction of grades. Encourage them to seal the document in a time capsule and bury it somewhere on a school grounds if you are using a physical paper, with the intention of opening it at the end of the school year. Believe me, it is very result oriented and very interesting activity. It can help students set goals for the school year and create a sense of purpose and direction. The activity can foster a great sense of individuality and empower students to take ownership of their learning. The act of creating a physical time capsule can be really a fun and engaging activity as well. Activity number 3, Skillshare activity. The Skillshare activity allows students to showcase their unique talents and abilities, such as playing a musical instrument, drawing, photography, or baking in a classroom settings. This collaborative approach encourages creativity and cultivates a sense of community among students. This activity will help to give them the opportunity to take on leadership roles in the classroom and develop confidence in their abilities. Activity number 4. Creation of class blog to start continuous communication. A blog such as Blogger can be an effective tool for teachers to use in terms of teaching, sharing resources, convenience, and building relationship with their students. By sharing more about themselves and their teaching philosophy on their blog, teacher can help to build stronger relationships with their students and promote a sense of community within the classroom. Assigning blog posts as essay can help develop students' writing skills, encouraging critical thinking and expression. Teacher can use their blog as a discussion forum as well. If you are new to blogging and you don't know, watch my video on how to create a teaching blog. I will share the link in the description as well. Activity number 5. Establish a culture in the classroom that mistakes are expected, respected, inspected, and corrected. The policy of mistakes being expected, respected, inspected, and corrected emphasizes a growth mindset and creates a safe and supportive learning environment. When students are given permission to make mistakes, they are more likely to take risks and try new things. This can lead to a more positive attitude towards learning and willingness to embrace challenges. When mistakes are inspected and corrected, it helps students develop self-reflection skills and encourages them to take responsibility for their own learning. This can help students become more independent learners who are able to identify and correct their own mistakes. The final activity, number 6, creation of class crest or emblem with class tagline. The process of creating an emblem or crest with a tagline involves mutual discussion between the teacher and students, promoting teamwork and collaboration towards a common goal. Creating an emblem or crest with a tagline that represents the class can foster a sense of identity and ownership, instilling pride in students towards their class. The creation of class emblem or crest provides an opportunity for students to express themselves creatively, encouraging self-expression and individuality. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.